Now, this just shows
4-in-1 hill.
this just shows how unfortunately my iPhone map isn't very good at getting the gradings right, because this is supposedly quite a good road. The fact it didn't have a sign might have been something we should have read. That looks okay actually. It's no problem.
Hill climbing.
Brilliant.
620 horsepower. Then get up there, I should imagine.
God, it's actually narrower than the other one.
Once we don't hit a ford, we'll be alright.
Yeah, that would be rather irritating.
I got told by the Aston guys that the Vanquish, you go through standing water, it can really mess up the engine internally.
How much do you need? Just even a big puddle?
Enough to get to.
Right. No, this is not clear, is it?
Actually, it's not great, is it? Where you want to go? There.
I think we're going down. Well, I can't actually see now.
This is
I think that's. Goodness.
do you want to go down there?
I think that might be a private driveway.
Okay, let's go back. Okay.
Right. Well, the other road's not on the map as far as I can see.
Do you hardly see the road? Pressing the brow, you can dot it with the car.
That literally was it. My goodness, to the benefit of the camera. I wasn't expecting this road to be this small, I have to say. Luckily we don't have to go too far down it. This feels like driving on a go-kart track or something. Stoves showroom.
This place doesn't get much pulsing trade.
Well done. This really has got everything. Bet that phone box gets a lot of use. Oh,
No, I said we backed off for the junction.
oh, well done. Sorry.
Just
No.
saying like,
Oh, you're running the commentary for the phone.
watch out for these field entrances like that. Just get tractors coming out.
Right. I want to go left at the crossroads.
Okay, it's probably enough video, I think.
So it's fun. Right. Goodbye, video.